Hi boys and girls, and this is Lara Quente, and today we're going to finish up a review of addition and subtracting with regrouping. I'm going to ask you to pause the video right now and get a pencil and paper so that you can work on these problems along with me. When doing math problems, it's always important to see what is being asked of you. You have to check the sign. Are you supposed to add, subtract, multiply, or divide? And since we're working on addition and subtracting today, I want you to make sure, are they asking me to add or subtract? So let's look at our first problem. And our first problem, the first thing I'm going to do is look at the sign. Ooh, it's a plus sign. They're telling me they want us to add. And they want us to add 1,365. Go ahead, write that down. Plus 4,376. Write that down. When adding or subtracting, we always start with the ones place. So in our ones column, we have 5 ones plus 6 ones. 5 plus 6 is 11. We are going to regroup our 11 ones as 1 1 and 1 10. And we're going to bring up our 1 10 into our tens place. We have now in our tens place 1 10 plus 6 tens plus 7 tens. I am going to add the 1 plus 6. 1 plus 6 is 7. And now I have our double, 7 plus 7. 7 plus 7 is 14 tens. We are going to put our 4 in our tens place, and we are going to carry up that other 10 into our hundreds place. So now we have 100 plus 300 plus 300. I know that 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 1 more gives us 7 hundredths. This is less than 10, so I do not need to regroup. Now I have 1,000 plus 4,000, which gives us 5,000. We can't forget our comma, so we're going to go 1, 2, 3 places and put our comma. So we know that 1,365 plus 4,376 equals 5,741. Let's look at our second problem. The first thing I want you to do is check the sign. This problem is asking us to subtract. Let's see the subtract side. And I would like you to write down 4,453 minus 2,474. Again, we are going to start with the ones place. Can we take 4 from 3? There's that saying, more on the floor. We need to go next door and borrow from our neighbor. So we're going to go to our tens column and we're going to borrow 110 from our 5. That's going to give us 4, and we're going to bring the 10 here. And now we have 13 ones. 13 minus 4. You got it. It is 9. Now we go to our tens place. We have 4 minus 7. Can we take 7 from floor? No, we can't. We have more at the bottom, so we have to borrow from our neighbor the hundreds place. We're going to cross out that 4 and make that 300, and we're going to bring one over here. So we have 14 minus 7. 14 minus 7 is 7. Almost there. So now we go to our hundreds place. We have 3 minus 4. Once again, our largest number is at the bottom, so we have to borrow from the thousands place. We cross out that 4, and we're going to make it a 3. And we're going to put the 1 that we borrowed over here, the 1,000 that we borrowed. So we have 13 minus 4, and that is, you got it, 9. Our last step, we have our thousands place. 3 minus 2. Our largest number's on top. Can we take 2 from 3? We can. 3 minus 2 is 1. Now we gotta count on over 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3, and put our comma. And our answer is 1,979. Today, your practice is going to be adding and subtracting with regrouping. Be careful to check the sign to see what you're supposed to do. Have fun!